Hi, Emil, and welcome to my new podcast about the ongoing journey of SolidCAM. I will be interviewing various people that are part of this exciting journey. And since you are the CEO and founder of SolidCAM, I would like to start with you and ask you a few questions.
Go ahead.
So, how did your professional and/or educational background help you get started in the CAM field?
Basically, when I was doing my master's in structural engineering in University of Toronto in Canada, when I was doing my project or my thesis, I started using computer graphics for the structural design and analysis. And I fell in love with this combination of engineering and computer graphics. That's why I decided to go into CAD.
Okay, but that's CAD. What about CAM?
CAM came later because when I first started developing SolidCAM, we first developed a CAD system on the IBM PC, and it was used a lot in education. Later, also, we developed a CAM system because when we decided to go into industry, we realized we needed a very good application, and I checked all the potential applications, and I chose to develop the CAM for the machine shops because I saw that the managers and owners and programmers in machine shop really need something like that. They need something to help them program their CNC machines in an easy way. And that's why we decided to go into CAM, and SolidCAM became a complete CAD-CAM system.
Right. And then at a certain point, you decided to drop the CAD, our CAD, and take a professional CAD like SolidWorks, right?
Yes, because at a certain point, we had our own CAD and CAM. But then I realized if you want to be the best in what you are doing, you cannot do both CAD and CAM. CAD needs a lot of development. Only big companies can do it the best. So we dropped our own CAD and we decided to become integrators, to integrate our CAM to existing advanced CAD products. And SolidWorks was our main choice. And today, SolidWorks is the most famous CAD and respected CAD in the world. And we are integrated in SolidWorks, also in other CAD systems.
Good idea. So, listen, today SolidCAM is thought to be the leading CAM system, and people are saying it's a moving target and they cannot catch up. So, what sets SolidCAM apart from other companies in the industries, and why? And let me ask you another question before you answer. Why you call SolidCAM's customers lucky customers? Why? Why is that? Why are they lucky?
Well, what sets us apart again, because we are dedicated to only CAM, then all our R&D and development and technical support is only dealing with CAM. This way, we are able to develop the CAM to the highest possible level to support the most advanced multi-channels, mill-turn, and Swiss CNC machines. These are the most productive machines, and they are becoming more and more used in the modern machine shop. Another reason why I call our customers lucky customers, because we have a technology called iMachining, which is a revolution in CNC machining, because it saves 70% and more in machining time, increased tool life 5 times and more, and also has a wizard that provides optimal feeds and speeds for every point of the tool path, choosing the type of material or tool. So if you have a machine shop and you are using iMachining for programming your parts, you are saving a lot of money. You are becoming much more productive. So that's why. So two things. With iMachining, you have great productivity, and if you have advanced machines like multi-channel, military, and Swiss CNCs, SolidCAM make it easy for you to program the best way. So double benefit.
Listen, over 20,000 customers can't be wrong. So, let me ask you another question. The field of CAM is evolving at an incredible pace. How does SolidCAM stay ahead?
Basically, we say we are very customer-centric, and that's not just a slogan. We are always at our customers, and we see what's happening in the machine shop. That's why 10 years ago, we located that most machine shops are moving to increase their productivity, are using more and more these multi-channel CNCs, mill-turn CNCs, and also switch type. And we decided that we want to be the best also in supporting these advanced CNCs. So by being all the time in touch with your customers, you realize what they need, and if you have the power to develop what they need, that's another advantage of us, is that all our product managers are people who all their life was they led in a machine shop, either first as employees, also managing machine shops. So they know how to define to our excellent programmers what they need to develop.
You know, one aspect that sets you apart from other managers and CEOs is that you always encourage people, employees, resellers, customers to call you anytime. You don't maintain the CEO distance. Do you feel that contributes to SolidCAM's success, the fact that you're always available?
First of all, it contributes to my knowing what's happening both at our customers, at our resellers, at our partners, at our employees, by being in touch with all of them. And I encourage everybody, they could call me anytime. If I cannot answer, I cannot. But if I can answer, and usually I can, because it's interesting for me to hear what's happening and all these people. So I think definitely this helps both the company to be in touch with what's needed in the market, and it helps the people in the market also to be in touch with the company. So it works both ways.
Okay. So, can you highlight some of the latest technologies or features that SolidCAM has introduced recently?
Yeah, I think beside this, as I said, we support the most advanced multi-channel mill turn and Swiss CNCs. About a year and a half ago, we, looking at the market, we saw that one of the 3D printing companies called Desktop Metal has launched a system called Shop for mass production in 3D printing. So till that time, 3D printing was used mainly for prototypes and short runs, a small number of pieces. With the Shop system, with its binder jetting technology, you could print a lot of parts quickly, and so it's good for mass production. So we decided that our customers who are using only CNC today could introduce also the Shop system to their machine shops, and then we will show them how to integrate it in their production, where some parts could be 3D printed and then CNC machined for finish. And we created,
Like a hybrid solution? Sorry to interrupt, like a hybrid
yeah,
solution?
hybrid, yes. I would call it a hybrid solution, like 3D printing and then CNC. So to become the best in this field, we created our own 5 technology centers, 2 in the United States, also 2 in Germany and 1 in Israel, to test this technology and to show it to our customers how we take from our customers some model they do right now only in CNC, and we show them that if you do 3D printing and then CNC, you could be saving a lot of time and cost, but it's become more economical. So that's what we are doing with these centers.
Let me tell you, SolidCAM never stops. Can you share a specific success story or a project that you're particularly proud of?
Well, I could tell you about a customer success story. There is a customer in the United States called Shamrock. They were working with Swiss CNCs, and they were using what I call finger cam, which is basically programming right on the controller using the G code of the controller. And we introduced them to SolidCAM, and they started using the power of SolidCAM and SolidWorks, obviously, to program their Swiss CNCs. And we had a talk with the owner and the manager about 2 months ago, and he said, in 2 years, the whole operation has changed completely.
Wow.
First of all, now they could do much more complex parts, which they couldn't do before because they just were doing programming on the controller, and now they're using SolidWorks and SolidCAM. Second, they became so productive, they decided to start working 3 shifts per day.
Wow.
So the machine shop really blossomed using SolidCAM. So this is where I was very happy to hear how excited he is that SolidCAM changed his whole machine shop operation.
So this is really a game changer. Also, SolidCAM is known to be very for its ease of use, right? It's easy
That
to
was,
learn and to use.
as I said, we started in education. So from the beginning, ease of use, easy to learn and easy to use was a major target. And we continued all through the years. When we moved to industry, easy to learn, easy to use. Imagine a CAM programmer is working with our system 8, 9 hours a day. So if it is easy to use, definitely he'll be much more productive, much more happy with what he's doing.
Incredible. Let me ask you
And
one.
I could tell you that we are proud that from all our 20,000 customers, there have never been a situation where they changed to another system. We change other systems, but nobody leaves SolidCAM. That's why I say SolidCAM customers are happy, lucky, and productive.
And I say, don't compromise, choose SolidCAM. Let me ask you a final question. How do you envision the company evolving and growing from here?
Basically, as I said, we have now 20,000 customers. There is 100,000 of more potential customers. And we want all of them to be happy and lucky and productive using SolidCAM. Second, as I said, this technology of metal 3D printing with binder jetting will be introduced slowly to all machine shops, I think eventually will be part of their process and will be the leaders in integrating this technology in the machine shops. Also, now there are CNC machines that have also a laser printing head as part of the machine. And SolidCAM right now is finalizing our support for these special hybrid CNCs that have also laser printing. So you'll be using SolidCAM to both program the CNC machining and the laser head printing.
Wow. That was very interesting. Thank you. I think.
And also, I could add, we are doing another interesting project. We decided to make it easy for people to learn and to our system and to use it by using the power of AI. We have fed ChatGPT all our documentations, webinars, frequently asked questions, and soon we'll be launching a chat box that everybody could use to learn more about SolidCAM and ask questions and get good answers.
Well, listen, AI is the next thing. So combining SolidCAM and AI is really exciting. Thank you, Emil. That was really interesting. Do you have to finalize? Do you have any a memorable or something funny, an anecdote from your journey with SolidCAM?
Something anecdote or funny. Well, I have to think about it. Not right now.
Okay. So thanks for now. And
Okay, thank you.
stay in touch for my next podcast in 2 weeks. Bye.
Okay, bye.